guys, there's nothing worse as having a burnt iron. Look at that. Like, so this iron has been like this for quite a minute. So the other day I was ironing my daughter's school uniform, the shirt, especially the shirt, and I'm asking myself, why is the shirt black? Connie, how bad have I gotten at doing laundry? Because as you iron, this black marks, the burnt part leaves marks on the shirt, and I honestly didn't love it. So I know. Let me show you how you can get rid of this, and in a minute, and with an ingredient that's always available at home. Yeah. So I'm going to just switch my camera and just get to show you how you can do this, because I know I'm not alone. I know moms, this always happens so much at some point. It's just that sometimes we get busy and we just get lazy on handling it. So let me show you. So what you're going to basically need is this is salt. The salt that we always use at home, and then I've just switched it on, so I'm just going to just follow what I do. I'm just going to rub this salt off on this salt. Initially I will use sand, but again sand is going to to scratch the iron, and I don't want that. So the best thing I can use right now is salt. Yeah. So I'm just going to scrub like this until it comes out. Yeah. Just use any paper. See, it has started coming out, and you really have to be patient with this, guys. You really have to be patient. Yeah. You'll know it's working when you realize the salt has started having the black things. Yeah. Just continue with the rubbing. To this paper because I felt it was going to speed up everything. Yeah. Don't get tired, just continue doing this till your iron is clean. Yeah. And this is what I have, guys. Yeah. I've been thinking of just continuing with it, but again, this is what I have. I think this will be enough. Yeah. This will do. So thank you for stopping by. Thank you for just coming in here to see this video. Make sure you like, subscribe. I'm so tempted in scrubbing it with steel wool, but then I don't know, guys. I don't know. For me, this will work for now. Yeah. So yeah, thank you for stopping by. Make sure you subscribe, like, share this video. See you in the next one. Bye.